Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options trading journey. Thank you for being here with us. We are so grateful that you are here, knowing that you could be anywhere, but you have chosen to be with us this morning. Dr. J is in the building. We want to thank her for being in the building as well. Grateful for that. Friday is upon us. Grateful for that. Just are ready to go. So excited for this Friday. Want to make sure we end the week strong. We want to end the week very strong. Grateful for everyone that is tuned in. Hamza is in the building. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Salim is in the building. We want to end this Friday up very strong. Want to take our time. We do not want to be in a hurry today. Today is Friday. It's a very good money making opportunity today. We have a little less than 2 minutes before the start of today. Okay, you can call me Queen D. Alrighty. We want to start off, as always, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, as we begin every day. A little over 1 minute left until we get this party started. As you can see, some of this pre-market action, I still want to keep that up for right now. We had a little bit of gap down, all the way down to the 455 when that 830 report came out. This big dip right here was the 830 report. After that, the market has rebounded. However, it is looking very weak. So I do, out the gate, have a 4.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can see, when you just heard that, Bluetooth connected, that was me taking a gun out of the holster. Out the gate, I do have a 458 put ready. I got an at the money 458 put ready. Dr. J, can I get a sound check? How's the sound? The quality of the sound. As we start.
Bluetooth disconnected.
I just put my gun back in the holster. As you know, the first 5 minutes are volatile. The first 15 minutes can trick you. The main thing that we do is wait for someone to get in trouble. And when someone gets in trouble, we then go ahead and capitalize on that. So we like to wait till about 10 o'clock to give the charts an opportunity to form. Well, we got some slim pickings. This is a liquidity grab right here by the bulls. Seems very weak. The yellow line is pre-market high. At the top, the bottom is pre-market low. Just to clarify what we're looking at, we have the daily chart in the top right-hand corner. You see that here with the D. We have the weekly chart in the bottom right-hand corner. We also have the 5-minute chart here in the middle. The 30-minute chart underneath it. 5-day 5-minute chart, so we can get a much wider view. And above that, my favorite, the line chart. Looking pretty weak by the bulls this morning. Looking very weak. Prince is in the building. Good morning, Prince. Prince, you're not in the call, are you? As we have immediate overhead resistance, pre-market high overhead resistance, daily and weekly overhead resistance. I know you was. That's why I asked. I know you was. I said, no, Prince thinking about a call right now. I know he is. But it's Friday, and we want to secure a great day. Want to wrap this week up strong. You've had a great week. Let's continue to get these monies. Dan is in the building. Good morning, Dan. Thank you for joining us. The usual suspects are all here. We're grateful for those of you who have just joined us. Thank you for the usual ones. Thank you for the ones who watch later during the recap, as you are important as well. Market is a little flat right now, just a little. Let's go ahead and pull up the big 5 minute. Let's expand that one just a little here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and eliminate pre-market because we're pretty much in the same area. The thing that I did want to highlight was this extreme drop that we had right here, okay? Now this was because we had a report come out at 8:30, but they went on ahead and rebounded from that report. Additionally, we have the area of support here, and additionally, this is pre-market low. So I would be interested in taking a put if we break this level with a stop above here, shooting at a 455.30 profit target down to a 454 if it presents itself. But the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and eliminate pre-market because we don't need to see that. Not right now. All right. This is going to give us a little bit more of a clearer view here. We have Wednesdays and Thursdays action up. For the bottom of Wednesday and all of Thursday. Pretty good sight right there. I went on ahead and then also I extended this area of demand. I tell you what's crazy. Right after we got off the air yesterday, guys, this move right here happened. Right down, back down to demand that we drew in yesterday. It touched demand, bounced right out of demand. Now, ironically, the stock price at 8:30 this morning dropped right back down to demand as well. As you can see that gold line that I put in there for pre-market high, and it did the same thing, bounced right off demand up to where we are currently right now. So we had a drop from 458 to 456 and then a bounce from 456 to the current price of 457.8. Allowing the market to do what it does. And for those of you who are new, our trading can be explained as such. We like to identify the areas on the chart where the bulls would be in trouble, and also where the bears would be in trouble. We highlight those areas, set alarms at those areas, and then we are patient as we wait for a setup to present itself. and we look for the bears or the bulls to get in trouble. And when they do, we capitalize on their pain, literally as they turn from bulls and bears to hogs and sheep. We have a rejection of the 4582, still too early. So also keep in mind, it is Friday as well today. You can also notice the difference in the prices of your option strike prices, your option prices. They're a lot more expensive today. Does anyone notice that? Dan, did you get in right here? Dan, did you get in right here for the break of this 5-minute candle? I personally just want to see the liquidity build because I see a liquidity grab right here that we could potentially exploit right here. Did not. Okay, not a problem. So you're safe. There's nothing wrong with being safe. Okay. Goodness, who knew? Wow. Grateful that the market is moving, because when the market moves, that gives us an opportunity to make money. So I do see a potential head and shoulders. It would have been a great call. Absolutely would have. We was coming off of support. And then we had also on this next 5-minute candle, it come back and use VWAP as support. So it did not break VWAP. The candle closed above VWAP. And then we had the following candle, 5-minute candle, trading above the high of the last red candle, squeezing these early bulls, pausing this big upward move. Essentially filling the gap. As the market closed yesterday at 458.2, this move filled the gap. However, it did not break pre-market high. So it would have been a great candle to get in for a quick scalp, getting out with that 5-minute candle. As you know, we make money in a 5-minute candle. But even as this was going up, I could see a head and shoulders for a potential move coming down. We just have to wait and see if it plays out. Time stamping this at 9:46. This is absolutely hard work, but it is worth every penny invested in time. Soon, guys, I promise you, we'll start taking these. But I just feel it's more important for me to exercise the discipline of letting the charts form. Yes, we might make money every now and then, but I still can't ignore the facts. The longer and the more time we give the chart to develop, the easier it is to pick it apart. First 15 minutes have gone by, everyone is safe. Very strong 30-minute candle right out the gate.
Bluetooth connected.
It's the area I'd like to take a put at. Generally an area I would like to take a put at. But we're so close to support, so close to VWAP. We gotta be patient. See if we get a break through it. Again, this is not surprising. If you guys remember, I drew the head and shoulders even when this was going up at 946. I told you I saw a potential put coming right back down to this area. I drew it on the chart, left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Now, when we get to the right shoulder, we will have to see what happens. Will it continue down? Will it touch and reverse? We don't know, but we did see this move coming. Again, I have a 458 put. Use your discretion. But I want to wait until 10 o'clock. 5 minutes left. We'll have a lovely, lovely retracement. That's the break that I was waiting on. Get in at your own discretion, whatever you feel best to do. I myself am going to wait for the 457 area, 457.7. We don't want to be early, we want to be certain. It's exactly why we take our time. There's no need to rush it. Give the charts some time to develop. It's actually a good sign. I love it. It means the bears will be able to use this liquidity that the bulls are now providing. A little less than 15 seconds left on this chart. Ho, 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 whoa, whoa, what in the world? I don't even know if I should jump on that. I might just grab some of that. Come on, get me in, get me in, get me in. You see, I'm trying to buy. I don't know what happened. That thing went off the radar. I gotta bring the screen down. Thank you, Dan. Oh, wow. We had a 10 o'clock report? That's lovely liquidity. That's lovely liquidity. I really tried to jump in. Oh, but I'm glad I didn't. That's lovely liquidity. Doesn't change anything. Doesn't change anything. Can you guys see how the big money with the algo stepped in and did that? No retail trader could do something like that. No retail trader could do something like that. That was all big money and algos. What are you doing? Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. And you're about to hear me put my gun up.
Bluetooth disconnected.
That is why I wanted to wait until that 10 o'clock. My goodness. I didn't know that there was news, but I know at 10 o'clock we do have some adverse reactions sometime. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out as she blew past pre-market high. Wait and see what is sustainable right now. Is that move sustainable? But for certain, guys, we are on the sidelines, being safe. That was nuts. That was the market for you. My goodness. And another thing that I want to let you guys know how that was the algos, because I tried to jump in that thing and could not get a feel. I tried to jump in that thing and could not
Bluetooth
get a
connected.
feel. As we look at the overall sentiment, this is the weekly in the bottom right. She's very strong, retesting last week's highs right now. On the daily, she is very strong as she broke out above yesterday's highs as well. As I stated, when we have that head and shoulders, you don't know what could happen. It could continue to go down, or in this place, or in this case, she reversed. Now the sad part about it is all of these early bears were used as liquidity. And that's exactly what happened. They got squeezed. So it's best not to be early. Be certain. I'm going to go ahead and adjust some of these charts down here. Take that off. You can see in the bottom left that the stock is attempting to close the cup at the 459 highs. Exactly what she's doing, attempting to close the cup. Then we should get a handle if she attempts to move even higher. Right now the high is 459.65 and she is knocking on the door. Quite a bit of reports we had today. We had 4 at 8:30. The unemployment report, unemployment rate, hourly wages, and hourly wages year over year. And then as Dan had shared with us, at 10 o'clock we had consumer sentiment report. And remember guys, it is never about the news. It's only about how the market responds to the news.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Put my gun back in the holster and I'm back on the sidelines. It is still early, guys. It's just 10 o'clock. It seems like for the past couple of days, all of our trades have been coming after 11. This, man, Mhm. We do have new highs. Very interested to see what happens now. Another head and shoulders is forming. See a left shoulder here. The head could be forming here. The right shoulder could be forming here. And I would be interested in a put for the break of the 458. Other than that, this happened way too fast. Would have been a great call, but it happened way too fast to get in the break of this 5-minute candle with these early bears providing the liquidity for this move. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this 5-day, 5-minute over because we do have a new high now. I'm gonna go ahead and step away for a second just to get me a cuppa and wait and see if the market presents a trading opportunity. Oh my goodness, this is a very bullish day. All right, Dan, that sounds like a plan. And the only reason that, man, we want to take a call is when we have some bear liquidity to get squeezed. There's never really been an opportunity for us to get in. There was one here this morning. And we could have made money in that 5-minute candle. It was just too early, and I didn't want to violate my rules of trading before 10 o'clock. However, this was a nice setup. This you could not have caught, and I tried to catch it. This 10 o'clock move happened so fast you could not have caught it. Until there's so close overhead resistance, I just didn't feel comfortable taking a call in this continuation 5-minute candle. I just didn't like it. The market has to move, but we don't have to trade. We want to look for safe trades. Very interested in that 10:30 candle. Dr. J says all-time high since March. One thing we know is that the stock price has memory. I'm glad you told me that, Dr.
Bluetooth
J.
connected.
I am going to pull up a put right now for a counter trend play. I'm going to set my parameters up very wide. Being that we have reached all-time highs, the market has memory. And to me, it's worth taking a put if we can break the 459.5 area. 459.5 area. As we are moving to a position of establishing put out of weekly resistance. And it will not be now. Here we go. What I would like to see is a break here. So the market did complete the cup. A retracement now would be the handle. Oh, correction. Dr. J said all-time high since March of 2022. We are watching the show, guys. We are watching the show. This is the show. This is a show. What a show. What a show. Stock has moved up $3 today. $3 today. $6 for the week. Now I am really going to get that cup up. Gosh almighty. Man, I might just want to put one contract in this.
Bluetooth
But not at the high, so it's
Bluetooth
ridiculous.
disconnected.
It's ridiculous. I tried to get in it. I really did, guys. I'm gonna have to look at the replay and see what happened. But I believe it was just so much volatility. There was no room for me. And then look at the ensuing candles. The wick down would have shook you out. Wick down probably would have shook you out. Just no way. You just would have had to been one of the early bulls that was just set out with today's purpose of establishing a new high. And we have done that. What happens now? We will wait. We We'll see. What a candle. What a candle. But I'm not going to turn this one into support. Not yet. We want to wrap up our Friday strong. We don't want to overtrade. We don't want to make any mistakes. We don't want to give away any money that we've made. We want to wait till the easy trades present themselves. Whew. Please know and understand there's no clear risk area to take a call for a higher price. And even if you take a put, please understand it is a scalp and a scalp only. Elephant, bullish on the week. Elephant bull green bar on the daily as well. On the 30-minute, and we're green on the 5. Try it. All we have to do, guys, is just take our time, remain patient, allow the charts to show us where the profits are. Don't rush it. Stay focused. We can do this. We do this every day. MashaAllah. All we have to do is just continue to be patient, and the charts will reveal an opportunity for a put or a call. That big move has put some folks, and it sure did. It It absolutely did. Dan is absolutely correct. As we were waiting for someone to get in trouble, and the Bears got in trouble here, as Dr. J said, big trouble. And they did squeeze. Then you had new Bears just join on for the rally to the 459. Once a new high was set, where do we go from here? If anyone says that they know, they are lying. All we can do is just watch and see what the charts present us. That's in trouble. Guys, when we take our time and develop the skill to become good traders, we don't worry about missing trades because there will always be profits in the chart every single day. All we have to do is stay focused, and we can do this every single day. That means that some days we don't take what? Oh my goodness, Prince. Prince, stick your hand out, please. Ow! You got in on this put early, Prince. You got in this put early. I had identified originally this being the area right here. Let me bring it up. Let's blow it up. We got a teammate in trouble. See what we can do to help rally together. Whoa, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. If you get trading underneath that, I'll be interested in a put as we are coming upon 10:30. The original head and shoulders that I drew the right shoulder was here. It came down to it and just touched it and bounced back through, but what we really wanted was it to break through and come through this 458.2 level. Oh man, talking, I missed my doggone trade. This is the put I want to be in. Come on. This is the put.
Bluetooth connected.
Oh, come on. This is the put I want to be in. Okay, this is the put I want to be in. I just got in, guys. Just entered a put. Into the put. Sorry, I was talking. Let me show you. Right there, as I showed you with the break of that, I was interested in giving myself plenty of room. As yesterday, I got stopped out by not giving the stock enough wiggle room. That will not happen today. It will not happen today. I like what everything is. I'm actually going to put my gun back in the holster.
Bluetooth disconnected.
And let the trade play out. I've accepted the loss if it stops me out. I have my profit taking right at VWAP. Because if you short above VWAP, you want to cover above VWAP. Counter trend trade. Oh yeah, expect all of that. but I am not worried. Hope the price drops just like it's going up. Yes, me too, Prince. And I think that's another reason why I got in this, Prince, because I want to be in a put with you. I definitely want to see you get back to break even. And I do apologize for not calling out the fact that we had a 10 o'clock report. As we've seen this week, the market has really gone nuts at 10 o'clock. So it is definitely best and safe to be on the sidelines initially, as we have found out. So nonetheless, Prince, just use this as an experience. There's nothing wrong with that. Yes, it might be a little expensive learning experience, but we want to use our losses as lessons. We are going to have to pay market tuition. Hold on, Prince, hold on. You're not done yet. You're not done yet, buddy. But we're going to take losses, as no one has a 100% trading rate. No one does. But the key is to learn from our losses and use our losses as lessons. As long as we learn from it, we're just paying tuition to the market. As long as we learn from it, we're just paying tuition to the market. I will look to add to this position if we can get a flush below this.
Bluetooth connected.
I just add it to that position here. Prince said, keep going down. I know that it's right, teammate. As I am making some really good money right now. Grateful for that. Exercising a little patience myself. Giving the stock an opportunity to move around. I don't know yet, Prince. A little early. I would love for it to be. But again, keep in mind, as we stated, that in all honesty, any put is a scalp. So I really should have scalped this first 5-minute candle. I didn't. The option price is moving well. The option price is moving well. Trying to put a little bit of money in my pocket right now while it is presenting itself. Taking profits from what I added. Again, taking profits from what I added. Taking more profits from what I added. And now taking some more profits from what I added. So the profits from the ad have been saying, well, let's just keep going. There we go. Let's keep going. Oh, wait a minute. Now we're back to my original bracket order. Being patient with that. Padded my wallet with the ad. So now I'm back to the original play. I've moved my stop down some also, you guys, to break even. Move my stop to break even. As I continue to get this money today. And it came back down for Prince too. Come on, Prince. Come on, Prince. I'm gonna make some money. You gonna make a less of a loss, but it's all good. Let's keep going. Hopefully to break even. Hopefully I don't like this. And she's hesitating right here. I don't like that. And she's hesitating right here. Don't like that. Come on, come on. Come to my money. Give me my money. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We do this every day, guys. Every day. Who made money with me on that put? Prince is coming back. It's coming back, Prince. It's coming back, man. It's coming back. Woo-wee! Who made money with me on that put? Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. My doggone computer shut down in the middle of trying to get back on. Now, oh my goodness, Dr. J, I'm sorry to hear that. Lunch money is on me today. Prince, this is what we were waiting on. But again, let's keep in mind, let's not forget, guys, when you short above VWAP, you have to cover at VWAP, and that is what you saw me do. And now you see what is happening. So Prince, you want to reduce it a little bit. Yes, we could get further continuation down, but this thing could bounce and retrace at VWAP. It could go sideways and consolidate, or we could have further continuation down. Woo, like that. Come on, Prince. Come on, Prince. Where you at, Prince? I think I might want to put a toe back in here or something. I want to put a toe in here? Man, I might want to put a toe in here. Ugh. Look how much money I left on the table. I'm getting sick. Come on, Prince. Come on, Prince. Get your money back, man. Get your money back. And don't you do that again, Prince. Ow! Dan, Hamza, Dr. J, Salima, and everyone else who is joining us. We do this every day. If I have earned a like today, would you mind giving me a like, guys? It does help out the channel. I don't charge anything. I believe we can get our money out of the market. So I share this journey with you guys absolutely for free. And the only thing I ask is that you give the channel a like and give a shout out to our sponsor, T-Shirt for Traders. Thank you, T-Shirt for Traders, for sponsoring us today. We are very grateful for that. By this being Friday, I just
Bluetooth disconnected.
disconnected my gun and put it up. I am done trading for today. Want to thank you, T-Shirt for Trader. Wait a minute, Brian Thompson is a winner. All right, Brian, awesome. Glad you made that, and thank you for joining us. Again, back to T-Shirt for Traders, things that I love to do: place trades, talk about trades, think about trading, dream about trading. Thank you, t-shirtfortraders.co, for sponsoring us. And thank you guys for your likes. And thank you for being in attendance. And thank you, Brian, for speaking up as well. Prince, how are you looking, teammate? We like everyone to be safe. We like everyone to get to the monies. How are you looking, Prince? Please check in with us and let us know. All righty. We have now, Prince, I hope you got out, buddy. Please don't be greedy. Use it as a lesson. Did anybody else make money with us on that put? Wow, look at that, Dr. J. And Prince made money too. Prince made money, and Dr. J said one of my biggest wins, alhamdulillah. This is what it's all about, guys. Helping each other achieve our dreams and goals of making this money on the chart. As I told you guys, I know a lot of you guys was like, oh my goodness, we missed out on all of this money. But as I told you, be patient. The market will present another opportunity to trade. And I called this trade out ahead of time before I got in it. So I made sure I did that today. I called this trade out, show you where my stop was. Once we broke down here, I added to the position. I took my add out within that candle and then took my original position set on a bracket order to right there. Great monies were made today from everyone. And guess what we're gonna do now, guys, since we made some money? we're going to get offline. We're going to take this money and run. Hopefully everyone has had a great week. Please study hard this weekend. I have every intentions to make a couple videos this weekend, going and explaining a little bit more in detail. I thank you guys for being here. I thank everyone else for watching. And you talk about a nerve-wracking. I was in it when my computer shut down and had to frantically get back up and fight through installations to get back in and close it. Glad it worked out for you, Dr. J. Thank you, Dan, Prince, Brian, Aaron, Hamza, Salima, and everyone else who will watch the replay. Thanks for coming out. God bless you, and have a great weekend, guys. God willing, we'll see you Monday.